Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Design Studio, yeah, it's called Design Studio. Beauty shop right there. So already we were seeing some interesting stuff. Oh yeah, I haven't been on this street in a while, but I forgot how beautiful this little... Oh wow, can you see that guy up there? So actually there's a restaurant. So this restaurant here, and that guy's actually working up on the top there. This was our street. So we got this little lane right here. It's called Travessa do Mercado Municipal. And we got some kind of cool looking stuff too. Like this woohoo burger place. Some nice interesting windows. And this is Noronha Street. But that's not going to be our focus. This is where we're starting out at. And we're going to be going down to this Mercado and try to and just kind of see all the businesses down this little tiny alley on this Travessa do Mercado Municipal lane. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So we got a little bit of rain today. Woohoo Burger. Never heard of this one before. I think it's brand new, but they got a nice little space. The menu is, I guess you must open the door and then you can see the menu. It's backwards. Got a little boutique. I don't know, some kind of office design studio. I don't know what that is exactly. Design Studio, yeah, it's called Design Studio. Beauty shop right there. So already we were seeing some interesting stuff. Oh yeah, I haven't been on this street in a while, but I forgot how beautiful this little thing is. We got some artwork on here. Just a small door with the Portuguese artwork. And I think we got a couple of these kind of cool looking buildings. And you can also see the rooftop up there too. So this green building has a rooftop. These are probably connected and then the business starts there. Or these are two different spaces, I'm not sure which. Looks like they're doing something in here. Got another interesting space right there. Okay, so let's walk down a little bit more. Oh, that's too bad. This looks like a great corner space, but it looks like it's not in operation now. But yeah, that's a nice space right there. I think I've seen different things opening and closing. So there was something there, but I can't remember what it was now. That looks pretty cool. We'll continue going down there in a moment. Looks like it was called the Fusion Cuisine Macau. And that corner shop looks super cool too. So yeah, this is a circle tattoo. Circle tattoo, so it looks like a tattoo shop. I just get a good angle for that. You got some really nice stuff in this area. And some rooftop stuff up on top of that yellow building. I like those plants too. Okay. So you got circle tattoo. Then we also, I'm gonna just try to capture this one and then this one as well. Pretty cool. This street just is loaded with character. Little butterfly in there. I think there's a Japanese sake right there. We'll walk by that in a moment. Yeah, that looks super cool. Yeah, that looks amazing. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down and showing you what else is on the street. Actually, looks like they have a little kitchen right there. And we got a sake shop here. So let me just see, they got all their Japanese sake. Huh. It's like a nice quaint little spot. The thing about Macau, this one says Neutro 2023. There's a little llama. The thing about Macau, there's like a lot of stuff that's not really talked about. Like people don't really know much about it. Like this street, a lot of people wouldn't really know there's all these interesting places. Semarang is Indonesian cuisine. Huh. So that one's Semarang, Indonesian cuisine. So yeah, there's Indonesian food on the street too. Seafood, signature noodles. Another seafood one as well. So we're gonna keep on going all the way up, and then you can actually take these stairs to go up towards Soulbrigada Hospital. Here's Rico's. Oh wow, can you see that guy up there? So actually there's a restaurant. So this restaurant here, and that guy's actually working up on the top there. Hope he's safe. That's pretty cool. Okay, so this one just goes all the way down, and then that one would go all the way across over a street called Rua de Campo, which is kind of a major road. I'm going to keep on walking down our municipal street. And the street has a lot of really interesting shops. That one looks kind of like a Japan style laundry room. We got some interesting carpets around this area too. Okay. Baraki. It's like a little pastry shop. So this is kind of a way to move along up these escalators, especially if you're going towards the Soulbrigada Hospital. That's our alley right there. So kind of a cool space. That's actually the Mercado, that yellow building straight ahead. Our street is actually almost ending, so I'm gonna just go a little bit further. And then I'll come back around and just kind of show you what the street is named after. So the reference is actually Municipal Mercado, and so we will we'll actually come out and show you in a moment. So that's our Target Street right there. That's the alley that we just went down, and then you got some other streets here. I think this is called Colina, I think. So all these streets kind of go up and down, and then you also have these small little alleys that go all the way down like this one. So I'm just going to go down a little bit further, and then I'm going to go to the Mercado, and I'll just kind of go in there real quick I've been filming it a little bit in the last few videos, so they're probably wondering why I'm down there constantly. But it's like part of this neighborhood, so it's important to show. I'm gonna go down one more. So that yellow building was the Mercado, but it's a little bit more interesting if I come at it from this angle. Yeah, and then this whole space is kind of colorful. The Mercado is directly down that way. So that lane was named after this Mercado, and this Mercado is this beautiful yellow building right here. So we're basically like up behind this a little bit, and then this is the Mercado Municipal 1939, which is actually restored and looking nice. I filmed it a little bit for 4 videos already, so but yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna walk through it one more time. Got all these nice places to get fish and food. And then I'm gonna come back out and we're gonna end the video. So okay, so hopefully kind of interesting. And some of these other streets also have the Mercado name too, so Mercado Municipal. And I think this one is, the one that we're on is called a Largo, like a square. So that building, and we're just gonna go back up to where we were just at in the rain a little bit here. So I'm just gonna go around real quick. And now we're right back to where we were, this little lane. So I'm gonna come in briefly. There's a guy still working up there too. So we have this little lane right here, the rain. So we basically did this little street. This is also a nice, kind of cool looking street too. Got all the artwork, which I would focus if it wasn't raining and it's getting a little dark. And so on that note, this was our street. And we'll end it right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.